Hey boys, girls. These are the answers to the simplifying expressions worksheet I gave you guys on Wednesday. All right. So number one, again, there's no numbers in front of these parentheses, so there's just a one in front of there. So we got to simplify this. We do 1 times 8r is 8r. 1 times 9 is 9. We have 7 times 4 is 28. 7 times 4r is 28r. And then 7 times 3 is 21. All right, so then we're going to combine these like terms. So 8r plus 28r. All right, so that's 8 plus 28 is going to be 36r. So we have 36r, and then 9 plus 21 is positive 30. So the answer to number 1 is 36r plus 30. Number 2, we get rid of these parentheses by distributing. So negative 5 times negative 8s is positive 40s. Negative 5 times negative 3 is positive 15. 2 times 5s is a positive 10s. And 2 times 4 is positive 8. So now 40s plus 10s is 50s. And 15 plus 8 is 23. Again, I'm just combining like terms here. All right. The next one. So let's put a 1 there and a 1 there. So 1 times 3f is 3f. 1 times negative 9 is negative 9. 1 times negative 7 is a negative 7f. A lot of people put a plus sign and then they write a negative 7. Plus a negative 7 is the same thing as just minus 7. So use this. We'll make it as simple as possible. And then 1 times 4 is positive 4. So we have 3f minus 7f is going to be a negative 4f. And then negative 9 plus 4 is going to be negative 5. So here's our answer for number 3. Negative 4f minus 5. Number 4, we have negative 4 times 4b is negative 16b. Negative 4 times negative 8 is positive 32. 1 times, there's a 1 here. 1 times negative 5 is negative 5b. And 1 times negative 4 is negative 4. Let's combine our like terms. So we have negative 16b minus 5b. That's going to be negative 21b. So we have negative 21b, and then and then 32 minus 4 is positive 28, so plus 28. All right, so there's numbers 1 through 4. Let's cancel that out. Let's scroll up here. Number 5. So for number 5, let's just multiply these out. So I'm going to get a positive 8g, because a negative times a negative is a positive. Negative 8 times 6 is negative 48. Negative 4 times negative 8 is negative 32. There's a g there. I'm sorry. Negative 4 times 5 is negative 20. So now 8g minus 32g is negative 24g. And negative 48 minus 20 is negative 68. Number 3. So 3 times 3n is 9n. 3 times 3 is 9. Negative 1 times 8 is negative 8n. Negative 1 times negative 5 is positive 5. So 9n minus 8n is 1n. I could just write n. And then 9 plus 5 is positive 14. And there's our answer for number 6. Number 7, we have 2 1s in front of there, 1 and a negative 1 anyway. So 1 times negative f is negative 1f, so we just write negative f. 1 times 5 is 5. Negative 1 times 6f is negative 6f, and negative 1 times 3 is negative 3. So negative 1 minus 7 is going to be negative 8. No, it's not. I'm sorry, negative 1 times minus, no, I'm sorry. Negative 1 minus 6 is negative 7. So that's negative 7f. And then 5 minus 3 is positive 2. So negative 7f plus 2. All right, next one. 7 times negative 3 is negative 21. And then if you have here, let's see, you have a negative 1. Negative 1 times negative 2m is going to be positive 2m. So you can write your answer like this. You can even write your answer like this. You can flip it around and say 2m minus 21. For all these, actually, you can flip them around. You can, this is a 2, by the way. That's the worst 2 ever. Bum, 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 bum. For all these, I can write this, the answer to this as 2 minus 7f. As long as you stay true to the sign. So this 2 is positive, and this 7f is negative. So as long as you stay true to that, you're okay. So this one, number 8, is, here goes the answer. Or you have that one. Let's scroll down a little bit here. We have 9 and 10 to do. So number 9, 5 times negative 3d is negative 15d. 5 times negative 9 is negative 45. Then we have 1 times 8d is 8d, and 1 times 5 is 5. So negative 15d plus 8d is going to be negative 7d. And then negative 45 plus 5 is going to be negative 40. And that's that one. And the last one. Negative 3 times negative 6z is positive 18z. Negative 3 times 7 is negative 21. Negative 1 times 8z is negative 8z. And negative 1 times 3 is negative 3. So 18z minus 8z is 10z. And negative 21 minus 3 is negative 24. All right, any questions? Just let me know.